Akumuliatorių galia su Štil.
MEYLE HD pristato vokiškos kokybės pastiprintos konstrukcijos važiuoklės dalis.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I work for the KTM-Husqvarna-GasGas rally factory team. I'm the team coordinator and I'm taking care about all the logistics, about all the travel plans. I get the people, the flights, the hotels, everything. So my work is basically before all the races. So the last weeks with all these COVID things have been really busy for me, and I'm so happy that we can be here with all three teams and just go for Dakar.
Okay, so it's your first Dakar, yeah?
No, it's the second one.
Oh, the second one.
Yeah, the second Dakar. I was last year here again, and I really enjoy. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's a crazy adventure, and it's always nice to be.
Do you feel different from last year?
Of course, with this COVID thing, it's harder, and especially the work before the race was really tough because we had all these changes until the last moment.
Yeah.
But we can be really happy that we are here, and in the end, like the team is almost the same as last year, and also the riders, we have one new rookie joining. But it's a little bit different. Of course, you cannot walk around and see all the other teams, all the other people, but in the end, we're really happy that we can race, and that's, for me, that's the biggest goal.
Okay, can you go through your daily routine?
Here at the race?
Yeah.
Sure. We wake up really early, like sometimes even 3:30, 4 in the morning. Then I'm sleeping in the tent. So the first thing in the morning, pack all your stuff, fold your tent, and then we jump into our assistance vehicles. We have in total 3 trucks. We have 3 vans and 5 campers where we travel from stage to stage. And we just jump on the road and then drive between 400-700 kilometers a day. And then when we arrive to the new bivake, we set up all our tents here. And then we wait until the riders come back. And then I take care about all the media requests. So I just talk to the guys, get some quotes, talk to them about their day, and just take care about all these media things. And then we go to bed quite early because it gets cold and really dark quite soon. And then we go to bed and be ready for the next day.
Okay, so the main question, do you struggle with the internet?
No, I'm quite lucky. We bought Saudi SIM cards here, and it works quite good. For me, it's very impressive that you have good internet in the middle of the desert, but looks like the Saudis are prepared for this.
Okay.
What was the main highlight of the last 6 stages? Not for the drivers, for you.
For me?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good one. Let me think. I think probably really after the quarantine we had to do and just start the race. The first days we've been really long where we almost did nothing, but I think the first day when we started from Jeddah to leave to the first bivake, for me this was just okay, now we're good to go. We have everything sorted. All the last the work that we did the last few weeks can pay off now, and we are ready to go. So for me, this is seeing the boys out there and just it's a really good feeling, and I just love to be here and love to support all the guys. No, it was good.
And what do you normally do outside the Dakar?
I work in Austria. We have our headquarters in Upper Austria, and I work there every day and just prepare all the races. It's crazy how much preparation and all these logistic things that. It takes a lot of time. So it's not that this all here and all the people. We are a big group. We are 36 people for all 3 brands. So it's a lot of planning, a lot of organization and all this. But in the end, I just try to get everything here, get everybody happy. I'm more or less I would say the mom. I'm one of the in the end, if somebody has a problem, they come to me and I just try to solve it, and that's my daily job.
How many races did you do in a year?
The thing is that I jumped in rally. I worked 2014. I did my first internship in the rally team. I was still at university, and then I came back every year to work or help at the Dakar preparations. And since 2018, I work for KTM, but I worked for on-road department. And since last year's Dakar, I'm in the rally team. So with this season, COVID, we only had 1 race in Spain. That's it. So not many races, but I just hope that we really go along now with our race calendar and do some racing 2021 and get the World Championship home and hopefully also the Dakar win.
So from the internship to the mother of the KTM, this is like a success story.
Yeah, this is, I was the intern, the small girl who was 18, had no idea about motorsport, no idea about rally. And now, I don't know, I could not imagine living without motorsport, living without the rally family. It's a pleasure to be here and to be part of the team is really cool.
So you have a bike, yeah?
Yeah, sure. But I ride really bad, really slow and really bad. Yeah, really bad. I leave to my boys and girl, of course.
So thank you, and see you around.
Thank you.